Before watch our video, please subscribe.
Meet the next generation of fire with the CampStove 2. A portable wood-burning stove that creates smokeless flames while generating usable electricity so you can cook your meals and charge your devices all at the same time. Now with updated thermoelectrics, the CampStove 2 provides 50% more power than the CampStove 1 and incorporates an onboard battery so you can store your electricity for whenever you need it. The updated LED interface provides real-time feedback on what's going on inside and features 4 fan speeds to control the size of your fire. Integrate with BioLite accessories for a perfect camp kitchen that you can bring anywhere. And anytime you go off-grid with BioLite, you're helping us bring safe, reliable energy to households around the world. Clean energy is all around us. We just need the right tools to unlock it. Discover a smarter, cleaner campfire with the CampStove 2. Part of the BioLite energy ecosystem.
Imagine a better way to charge your phone. Charging always available exactly where and when you need it. WallJax rethinks charging. It's a wireless charger for the truly connected and modern home. No blocking outlets, no running wires across the floor or table, no more fumbling around for the cord at night. It's the easiest, most elegant way to charge your phone. Until now, charging our phone hasn't fit into our lives the way an everyday task should. I built WallJax because charging should be completely effortless. Because the perfect charging location is different for everyone, there are 2 styles of WallJax. With WallJax Easy, all you have to do is plug it in and you're done. It's the world's first completely cord-free charger. And then there's WallJax Float. With its beautiful and minimalist design, you can easily install it wherever you need charging. It's an elegant and practical solution that keeps outlets clear for other appliances, with built-in magnets to hold your keys and an extra USB port that lets you charge any device. Put WallJax next to your bed and you'll never forget to charge your phone at night again. Put WallJax anywhere and simply putting your phone down becomes charging. With 2i wireless charging capabilities built into many phones like the Samsung Galaxy S6, and easy to add to other phones like the iPhone in just a simple case, WallJax works with almost everything. I got the idea for WallJax a year ago. I got tons of feedback. After months of design and engineering, WallJax is what it is today. I need your help to revolutionize charging. We're already working with an established manufacturer, but production requires expensive, molten electronics. Please share with family and friends, and thanks for supporting WallJax.
feeling you get when you hit that perfect shot or kick serve down the line is indescribable. Perfecting these shots takes countless hours of practice, and with that comes the inevitable chore of picking up hundreds of tennis balls scattered all over the court. Players and coaches everywhere know the frustration and tediousness that goes into collecting balls during a practice session. And this is why we invented Tennibot. Tennibot is the world's first robotic ball collector. Tennibot perfectly integrates computer vision and artificial intelligence to detect tennis balls on the court and collect them for players. You can let Tennibot work autonomously using the station that easily attaches to the net post, or use Tennibot's app to customize where on the court the device will clear. Tennibot easily syncs to your phone and even your Apple Watch to make activation quick and seamless. The app also keeps track of how many balls are collected during a session and how often you practice. So feel free to brag to your friends about how you're stepping up your game while never having to pick up another tennis ball. Tennibot was designed with convenience in mind. The removable bucket holds up to 80 balls and lets you easily continue your hitting session after Tennibot has cleared the court. The battery takes only 90 minutes to charge and runs for 4 to 5 hours. Its portable design lets you pick up Tennibot and wheel it on and off the court, just like a suitcase. And when you're done, Tennibot's compact size makes it easy to fit in the trunk of your car. So, instead of picking up balls, players can relax, hydrate, or just keep playing.
We have created multiple prototypes of Tennibot and performed thousands of tests to come up with the perfect training partner. With Tennibot's patented design and advanced algorithms, we can make tennis more convenient for players at all levels.
Whether you're hitting with a ball machine, volleying with a friend, or giving a lesson, Tennibot helps you get the most out of your time on the court.
Our dream is to get more people playing tennis, having fun, and improving their shots, whether it's a forehand, backhand, or a kick serve. We have a great product, an amazing team, and we can't wait to put the Tennibot in your hands. But we need your help. In order to start manufacturing and shipping worldwide, we need a large enough order. Together, we can kickstart this revolutionary product and take the tedious out of tennis.
Start working on not touching your face, because one main way viruses spread is when you touch your own mouth, nose, or eyes.
This video, and others like it, went viral, for good reason. Touching the face is a habit we develop before we are born. That's why even health professionals have trouble resisting it. In fact, APIC estimates the average person touches their face 23 times per hour. This behavior is a serious problem right now because it increases your chance of getting infected. So how can you avoid touching your face? What if there was a face shield that could help you break this habit? This is Blocc. It's designed to be easily worn like glasses. Blocc covers your eyes, nose, and mouth, the main pathways where infections enter your body. It works as a barrier when you subconsciously reach for these parts and draws your attention whenever you fall into your habit. Blocc's ergonomic design provides a comfortable fit whether you wear glasses, a mask, or both. It allows for proper airflow, making Blocc suitable when you go for a run, and also works as a wind deflector when you ride your bike. While ensuring functionality, it doesn't compromise style, so you can feel comfortable wherever you go. Blocc is reusable. Simply wash it thoroughly with soap water and dry it with soft cotton. Although it's not designed for healthcare or laboratory settings, Blocc is made of clear polycarbonate, durable material used to make protective goggles. The prototypes are finished and the tooling has begun. What's left is your support to bring Blocc to life. Stay safe, and let's block the spread.